Hi, I am Dr. Maryann DiEdwardo. I am delighted to present a paper for the conference. Through the lens of hermeneutics and semiotics, consider the cultural poetics in the film Roma. The director, Alfonso Cuarón, portrays the injustice and suffering of the main character, Cleo. He engages viewers to explore archetypical cultural milieu of Mexico in 1970. Semiotics is the study of signs. Moreover, as a reflective inquiry, hermeneutics interprets film as visual literature. Interpretation of current films such as Roma, directed by Alfonso Cuarón, tells the story of Cleo, who is a domestic worker who experiences the death of her child. Cleo helps take care of the children of Antonio and Sofia. The story is complex. Since Antonio suddenly runs away with his mistress, the story unfolds as Cleo becomes pregnant with the child of a cousin of a friend. When she tells him of her upcoming pregnancy, he threatens to kill the baby. Yet, the baby is stillborn. Cleo goes on a vacation to the beach and experiences healing when she saves two of the children from drowning in the ocean. Cleo is a character that embodies the life of a servant who does not have rights in the society but has found a caring employer during the 1970s in Mexico. The audience feels empathy for Cleo, who is mute after the loss of her child. Cuarón directs a passionate cast in a heart-wrenching film, which we interpret as a social discourse. Cultural landscape, which portrays the places in the film, is also significant. Cleo uses water to clean as a metaphor for the place and space that she portrays in the film. She has not experienced human emotion and human rights in the relationship with her child's father. Article 3 in the Declaration of Human Rights follows: everyone has the right to life, liberty, and the security of person. This paper presents an argument concerning the cinematography in the film Roma. The portrayal of Mexico City in the 70s signifies that the historical study ignites a symbolic representation of the director's vision. The character Cleo, played by Yalitza Aparicio, who was nominated for Best Actress, is the signifier of suffering that took place in 1970 and 71 in Mexico City. She is the symbolic representation of the early life of the director Alfonso Cuarón. Through specific cinematography techniques such as camera angle, black and white aesthetic, autobiographical reminiscences, and cinematic narrative, Cuarón designs a masterpiece. In fact, Bill Desowitz's article in IndieWire about a video called Alfonso Tells Cinematographer Ed Luckman How He Shot Roma remarks in the video, Cuarón explains that Roma represents childhood, his childhood. The research focuses on the cultural poetics of cinematic narrative in Roma. Hermeneutics calls for action. Investigating critical hermeneutics offers an approach that is very different from traditional hermeneutic approaches. Critical hermeneutics takes nothing for granted. In fact, it is taken for granted nature of understanding is the object of study, and in particular, where that knowledge comes from. Hermeneutics stops at the point of saying that knowledge and understanding are historically and socially bound. Critical hermeneutics continues where traditional hermeneutics leaves off, by embarking on an examination of those social and historical conditions which make understanding possible. I address social functionality of literature, as well as theoretical processes of film as a signifier of humanity. The study of semiotics. Previous research and background for this book concerns my recent publication, Hermeneutics, Metacognition, and Writing. I am the editor. I wrote 7 chapters, and it was published by Vernon Press in Literary Studies. Maryann P. DiEdwardo, holds a BA in Theater Arts from Pennsylvania State University and an MA in English from Lehigh University. I am a Doctor of Education from California Coast University, a poet, educator, published author, adjunct professor at University of Maryland Global Campus. This collection of critiques and case studies examines the imagined cultural landscape of specific works and associated activities such as fine art, music, poetry, and digital humanities, which aim to initiate self-monitoring as metacognition or meta-reflection by creating interior interpersonal space to overcome adversity. Hermeneutics Metacognition and writing investigates the social functionality of actions as an essential criterion of study. It focuses on interpretation through the lens of the philosophy of metacognition. Previous research then incorporates work on other books, such as my book entitled American Women Writers, Poetics, and the Nature of Gender Study. This book was published in 2016 by Cambridge Scholars Publishing, where I investigated political practices and pedagogical practices in American women's literature, rooted in the foundation of feminine myth. I study the processes of authors who create voices of characters from the past. My projects study language to focus on metaphorical grammatical constructions unique and specific with form and function. I interpret aesthetic works to capture the essence of style, as well as the rhetorical function of the basic structures of grammar, diction, syntax in film, cinematic narrative, as message and meaning. I interpret the aesthetic of the film Roma through hermeneutics and semiotics to argue that the cultural poetics of the director are based on the darkness of the lack of human rights, as opposed to the lightness or hopefulness that the dignity of life may offer humanity. Cleo is a tragic figure. In the beginning of the movie, we find Cleo cleaning the foyer of the home where she is a domestic servant. The repetitive nature of water reveals the symbolism of life and death at a tragic time in Mexico City. The plot and characterization are meant to juxtapose against the backdrop of political turmoil and death. The dialogue alludes to death as well. A simple young woman, Cleo, with hopes and dreams, is lost because her boyfriend destroys her life by threatening her. This tragic flaw is symbolic and is crucial to understanding the 21st century. The magic of film is important to the aesthetics of a culture. The director Alfonso Cuarón portrays the injustice and suffering of the main character, Cleo. He engages reviewers to explore a typical cultural milieu in Mexico in 1970. Moreover, as a reflective inquiry, hermeneutics, or the study of atheia, the Greek word for unhiddenness, reveals truth. Through use of the hermeneutic arc, this researcher interprets literary works and film as visual literature. The film Roma is a 2-hour and 14-minute black and white film that delivers a vivid, emotional portrait of a domestic worker's journey. Cleo, who helps Antonio and Sofia take care of their 4 children in the 1970s in Mexico City. Complications arise when Antonio suddenly runs away with his mistress, and Cleo finds out that she's pregnant. When Sofia decides to take the kids on vacation, she invites Cleo for a much-needed getaway to clear the mind and bond with the family. The film was released in November 21st, 2018 in the United States. The director, Alfonso Cuarón, won an Academy Award for Best International Film Directing. He won for Best Director and won for Best Cinematography. The film won the Academy Award for the Best International Feature Film in 2019. The phenomenon of film writing is important because the film is a sign or a signifier of cultural poetics of the past that indicate a vision of the future. Obviously, the film is based upon the sign of darkness and tragedy in the human condition. The film Roma takes a position on cultural issues. As such, we as interpreters and hermeneutic scholars ascertain cultural landscape in the film through intersectionality of hermeneutics or interpretation and semiotics, signs. The most important outcome of hermeneutics in writing in cultural poetics, which seeks to identify literary works as social discourses, is semiotics. Semiotics is the general science of signs, which traces its lineage to Saussure and the American philosopher Charles Sanders Peirce. Color remarks that semiotics is an international movement that has sought to incorporate the scientific study of behavior and communication, which clearly embody the methods of Alfonso Cuarón in his creation of Roma. Moonen fully accepts this differentiation, and the articles in semiotic praxis manifest a theoretical evolution toward clarifying it. A dichotomy arises from the specific nomenclature generally used by Saussurean semioticians. Central to this nomenclature is the sign, which is strictly Saussurean in terms, defined as an arbitrary relationship to a signifier. Investigating the social functionality of literature, as well as the theoretical processes of the literary scholar, regards the power of film for cultural change. Critical hermeneutics is an approach to transform readers. Considering the impact that researchers make on their readers, we can change the researcher with hermeneutics, semiotics, and cultural poetics. Objectives are to achieve a cultural interest in the methods we use to reflect, construct, and mediate experiences in the world. Cultural poetics. Cultural poetics is a process of memory of the director, interpretations of his past in Mexico City, and his imagination to craft a film that will represent the 21st century film aesthetic. I apply cultural poetics, a form of literary analysis, to discover the original ideology behind significant historical and biographical facts about writers, resources, and the art they create. Roma is based on reminiscence of the director and is also a sign. The film is inspired by the director's own life and setting, takes place in the home where Alfonso lived in his youth. This semi-autobiographical, passionate portrait is set in the midst of a political turmoil in Mexico City surrounding the Corpus Christi massacre that occurs about 1 hour and 33 minutes into the film. The framework of hubris or tragic flaw fuses our concentration on signs and interpretations, semiotics and hermeneutics, as a focus to envision the writers in a creative process to offer transformation. The framework of film fuses our concentration on signs and interpretation to focus and envision the writer in a creative process. Accordingly, the director engages memories of readings, life experiences, and imagination. Further, I find that modern hermeneutics includes both verbal and nonverbal communications, such as presumptions, pre-understandings, semiotics. Cleo uses water as a metaphor. This is important in the entire film, as the end of the film shows her saving children who are almost drowning in the ocean. Roma, directed by Alfonso Cuarón, tells stories that are characteristic of the residing in Mexico City. Significantly, Cleo experiences loss, specifically the death of her child. Cleo helps take care of children and washes the floor. So through the poetic vision of this domestic worker cleaning the floor, we can interpret the complexity of life. And Cleo goes on vacation to the beach and experiences healing when she saves these children from drowning in the ocean. She is a character who embodies the life of a servant who does not have rights in society, but who has found a caring employer during the 1970s in Mexico. The audience may feel empathy for Cleo, who is mute after the loss of her child. And the sign is what is to come. Cleo's life is very tragic. So the signifier of the film may be to interpret it in multiple layers. Domestic abuse is presented and portrayed against a climate of political turmoil. Her boyfriend cannot take care of her. In fact, he destroys her life at the time when her water breaks. Tragedy is symbolic and is crucial for our understanding of the importance of film and the aesthetics of culture. Conclusion. Investigating the useful social functionality of literature, as well as the theoretical processes of the literary scholar regarding the power of writing for cultural change, suggest that cultural frameworks and conceptual frameworks of metaphysics of presence and metaethics of ethos seek to resolve questions of human morality. The basic formula comes from Plato's Phaedo as a backdrop to our efforts to write and to create film. Art is an essential space to view human creative instinct. Space is the study of diversity, understanding global perspective, cultural awareness of diverse peoples through analytical strategies. close reading, the analysis of figurative language, and the comprehension of narrative structure. Space involves case study empirical research, and social justice pedagogy models demonstrate life story writing, journaling, and formal study of civic values in a setting to promote and sustain peace. The study emulates the goals of our concentrations on human rights and social justice in media and film, and with our civic voices, let us humbly commit to radical compassion